certain.
Welcome back. You're watching NewsX. Now, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and MapMyIndia, the navigation solutions provider, have joined hands to offer an indigenous mapping solution to take on Google Maps. MapMyIndia CEO and Executive Director Rohan Verma said that both the organizations would come with an India-made mapping portal and geospatial services. He went on to add that the collaboration will boost Atmanirbhar Bharat, which will mean that users in India in future can rely on a country-made solution and not a service designed outside India. ISRO in a statement said that the collaboration will enable them to jointly identify and build holistic geospatial solutions utilizing the Earth observation data sets, NAVIC, web services and apps application programming interface available in MapMyIndia, Bhuvan, Vedas and Mosdag geoportals. It's worth noting that ISRO already develops NAVIC, also called Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System for IRNSS, which is navigation with Indian constellation, an Indian-made navigation system, and MapMyIndia's maps and apps which will enrich ISRO's geoportals, empowering Indian scientists, academia, researchers and government organizations with the best of India's satellite imagery, Earth observation data and digital map data and advanced geospatial technologies, all combined together in a fully indigenous Atmanirbhar ISRO MapMyIndia platform. This is what Rahul Verma has said. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Lokeshwar. Lokeshwar, please take us through the details as ISRO and MapMyIndia collaborate for the Atmanirbhar space tech.
It's a big Make in India kind of push for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO and MapMyIndia have partnered to offer India's best and fully indigenous mapping portal and geospatial services for India. MapMyIndia CEO and Executive Director Rohan Verma has said that this map will be very precise and these different maps will be available for the people. So far we are depending on maps or anything on the foreign sources like Google Maps and all. Now this Atmanirbhar push will be a benefit. So many times when mapping was done, some parts of India were seen as parts of the other countries. There were many controversies previously also. Now it is a big push for the Indian scientists also. It will empower the scientists and it will be a commercial thing like, already ISRO is offering services to the foreign countries like European countries and Latin American countries on commercial basis. This will be a great push for all Indian scientists, ISRO scientists, and this expertise of the ISRO scientists will be holistic and very useful for India also. And these maps can be more authentic.
Right, Lokeshwar. Also, how is MapMyIndia different from Google Maps? Is there any technological differences between the two?
Yes, so definitely this MapMyIndia is indigenous mapping, and Google Maps are mostly dependent on NATO and other things for the source. But this is completely Indian, and MapMyIndia is completely Indian. That's why it can give a tough competition for Google Maps and Google company also. Like in China, some indigenous maps and websites are already made, and it is giving tough time for Google and others. This is completely work under Indian law. Sometimes we face problems with the multinational companies like Twitter and Facebook, social media also. When Indian government calls, they don't respond, and they can't provide data and all. But there is no such kind of problem for this indigenous mapping portal and geospatial services. This MapMyIndia is completely Indian company.
Right, Lokeshwar, please stay with us. Joining me on the broadcast is Rohan Verma, CEO of MapMyIndia. Good morning, Rohan, and welcome to our show. Thank you for joining us today. And congratulations on your collaboration with ISRO. Rohan, if you could take us through how exactly MapMyIndia is different from the Google Maps and Google Earth, in fact, And what more can we expect from MapMyIndia and ISRO's collaboration now?
See, MapMyIndia has been digitally mapping India for the last 25 years, far before Google Maps existed anywhere in the world. In 2004, actually, we launched the first mapping portal for the country, again before Google Maps was built anywhere in the world, let alone India. We've built our maps from the ground up professionally, using state-of-the-art mapping technology down to the building level. So how it's different is that you can search for house addresses and buildings in MapMyIndia and get the last meters navigation to the doorstep, not just till the nearest landmark or point of interest or building. Also, it's a completely indigenous company and solution, meaning that we show the border of India as per the government of India. We host our maps in India. We also are not at all focused on advertising business models the way Google is. So users' privacy is completely safe with MapMyIndia, whereas other companies in the advertising space actually monetize the claimed free maps and in turn actually target the same users with advertising by auctioning their location data. So in these ways, MapMyIndia is different, and it's also used indirectly or by all the car manufacturers. Lots of the leading app developers like PhonePe, Paytm, etc., are all using MapMyIndia. Some of the largest companies and government organizations are leveraging MapMyIndia. Indirectly, actually, we've been benefiting 20 crore people in India. And I think now, more directly, people will get to know about MapMyIndia.
Right, Rohan, please stay with us. We have to take a short break at this point. We'll be right back with discussing this in detail.